to this learning video. In the last learning video, we have derived the formula for Simpson's 1/3 rule. Here in this learning video, we will start with the problems. So, let us start with it. So, the very first problem on Simpson's rule says, evaluate integration from 0 to 1 upon 1 plus x dx with n is equal to 2. In the concluding remark, I have said that for the even number of terms, you always go for the Simpson's 1/3 rule. Okay, so here the number of interval is 2. So first of all, we will find out the step size, that is the level of, that is the interval of differencing, and then we will find out this integral with the help of Simpson's 1/3 rule. So what is given to us? Here we are given that, what is it? Let f of x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x and n is equal to 2. What are the limits? Limits are a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. So let us first of all find out the interval of differencing, that is h, and h is equal to b minus a by n. What is b? 1. A is 0 divided by n, that's 2. So this is 1 by 2, or you can write as 0.5. Okay. After getting the level of differencing, what you need to do is you just need to draw the table, because we need these values to evaluate the given integral with the help of Simpson's 1/3 rule. So here x, here y is equal to f of x. So we have to start with 1, we have to end with, start with 0, end with 1, and we have a differencing of h 0.5. So 0, then 0.5, you can write here 1 by 2 and then 1. So find out now the corresponding value. Substitute x is equal to 0, you will get 1. Put x is equal to 1 by 2, this is 1 plus 1 by 2, that's 3 by 2, it would be 2 by 3. Substitute x is equal to 1, you would get 1 by 2. After making the table, you need to name it. Say this is y0, this is y1, and this is y2. Now make use of the Simpson's 1/3 rule. You can write by Simpson's 1/3 rule, by the Simpson's 1/3 rule, integration from 0 to 1 upon 1 plus x dx is equal to, what is it? H by 3. Then here it would be y0 plus yn, here n is 2, so it would be y2 plus 4 times of y1, that's it. As there are very less number of terms, so we will get only this. Now you can substitute what is the value of h. H is 0.5, so I can write 0.5 by 3. Then what is y0? 1. What is y2? 1 by 2 plus 4 times what is y1? Y1 is 2 by 3. Okay, so I want you to pause the video for a few seconds, do these calculations, and then come up with your answer. I will write the answer of this and you can check whether you have got the correct answer or not. So do the calculations and then resume the video. I hope you might have got the answer. So what answer you are getting here is 0.6944. If you got this answer, very good. If not, then check your calculations once again and then do the calculations. This is my final answer. Okay. One remark I would like to make, we are very habitual of writing h by 2, but here in the Simpson's 1/3 rule, this is h by 3. Okay, so take care of this thing, otherwise answer may be wrong. Okay, so we are done with the very first problem. Now let us take one more problem on the same topic.